Manipur Alliance for Child Rights and Child Rights and Youth lauded Manipur Police and all its member partners for successfully rescuing 3 missing young girls hailing from Moray Technopole district. The girls went missing in the morning of August 3. After a quick response from the Special Task Force, the girls were rescued the very same day at the Imphal International Airport, according to a press release from MACR. It also mentioned that the 3 rescued girls are now kept at child-friendly police station Lamphilpat, Imphal, under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Imphal West, Meghachandra. As observed around the world, Manipur also remembered the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki today. All India Peace and Solidarity Organization, Indian Society for Cultural Cooperation and Friendship, Progressive Writer Association and Indian People's Theatre Association organized a poem recitation program at Irrawadh Bhavan dedicated to the victims of atomic bombings. A man in broad daylight is reported to have neck chopped off in a brutal sword attack at Setupur village under Vishnupur district. Details are awaited. A man accused of trying to rape a minor girl at gunpoint some days back was lynched to death by an angry mob today at Thoubal district. The deceased has been identified as 50-year-old Naurem Bishembur of Tentha Khunjau Naurem Laikai under Khongjong Police Station, Thoubal district. 32nd Higher Diploma in Cooperative Management and 1st, 3rd and 5th semesters of Bachelor of Business Administration course was introduced at Institute of Cooperative Management, Lamphilpat today. Speaking about the course, Director of ICM Dr. N. Ranjana said that the HDCM is a 26 months compulsory course. The course will be conducted by 30 training officers. BBA will accommodate 45 students. She expressed happiness for being able to hold positions by the students of ICM at the Manipur University exam, and she also hoped this will continue in future. Ramlal Paul Higher Secondary School Students Union held a press meet at the school campus today in connection with untimely transfer of the school teachers. The union condemned the transfer order by Education S. Out of 3 teachers, only 1 teacher is left, the union said. It urged the concerned authority to send the required subject teachers for the school at the earliest possible. Union's Games and Sports Secretary Salam Ramesh raised serious concern over the matter. The abrogation of Article 370 by the Indian government, which gave special status to Jammu and Kashmir, has raised apprehensions in northeastern state Mizoram yesterday. Many academicians and politicians are fearing the NDA government might scrap next the special provisions that protect the interests of the state's indigenous people. As Jammu and Kashmir loses its special status with Monday's presidential order, the region will witness a tectonic shift in laws governing the state. From property-related laws, criminal laws, to crucial central laws like right to information and education, this will be among the many that will be applicable to the proposed union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. In a tragic incident, a vehicle carrying passengers from Upper Assam's Golaghat, who were heading back to Boko after attending NRC hearings, met with a major accident at Sonapur last night. As many as 22 people have been injured in the incident, including the driver of the vehicle. 2 families were traveling in the vehicle who were returning home after attending an NRC hearing in Golaghat.